Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Soul battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll need a basic wrench, typically a 10mm or 13mm, to loosen the terminals. Always identify the negative terminal before proceeding. Now let's disconnect the terminals. Using your wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Once it's loose, carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally touch the battery. Repeat this process for the positive terminal, loosening the nut and then removing the positive cable. Keeping these cables separate is crucial for safety. With the cables disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. This is usually a clamp or a strap that secures the battery in its tray. Carefully locate and loosen the nuts or unclip the mechanism holding it in place. Once the hold down is completely removed, double-check that the battery is free and can be lifted without obstruction. This step ensures a smooth removal. Finally, it's time to remove the battery. Car batteries are heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. If your battery has a handle, use it for a better grip. Carefully lift the battery straight out of its tray. Place the old battery in a secure spot for recycling. Before installing a new battery, clean the tray thoroughly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.